Hey, so Article 13 is a thing now. Welcome to the new internet. Do I have to worry about anything? I don't think so. Everything I show here has been created by me. Did you hear that YouTube upload filter? I created that robot and background all by myself. This is all mine. This entire thing belongs to me. I own every single copyright. So, let's focus on the topics that are more important than Article 13. Right, there aren't any. I was thinking about creating a Discord bot that uses machine learning to be able to talk to you. No hard-coded response script. Nah. Real machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural network stuff. For that I used Syntax deep learning chatbot tutorial series. I'm gonna save you from all the details and answer your main question. Does it work?
Yes and no.
The responses it gave were, well, it's still better than my talking skills, but not suitable for a chatbot at all. The main problem, or actually the only problem, was that the bot returns a full list of answers if things are okay for your message. Each message has its own score. The lower, the worse. So obviously you would think, well then just let the bot say the message with the best score. And you're right, I should just do that. But I didn't know how. Syntax made the tutorial a while back, and by now the learning code that I got from GitHub got updated a lot. The file Syntax used to only get one answer with the best score is not usable anymore in the new version. After that project gradually failed, I used some feed-forward neural network for simple classification. That's pretty much the first neural network thing you do if you ever start with neural networks, which is why I did a chatbot before that, and the chatbot is a lot more complicated. There's a dataset called MNIST, which contains a bunch of images of handwritten digits. And with a feed-forward neural network, you can easily create a neural network that can classify a handwritten digit that it has never seen before. Since that neural network works with pure numbers, you can easily apply the same model to text classification. Wait, didn't you just set the network as a handwritten digit image classification? How can you use this on text or numbers? Aha! Yes. You don't. What? You see, the handwritten digit image is no more than an array of numbers. Each number representing the darkness value of each pixel in the image. 0 equals pure black, 1 equals pure white. I'm not being racist. And anything between that is grey or whatever else. The MNIST images are 28 by 28 pixels. So you have a 784 pixels or 784 numbers in the array. If each of those 784 numbers is a value between 0 and 1, you can easily represent any 2D image. So now that we know how the neural network deals with the quote-unquote images, let's see how it works with text. How the fuck do you transform text into numbers? Tokenizing and lemmatizing. Lemmatizing is a bit more complex, so I just go with tokenizing. Giving a dataset of who knows how many lines of text and sentences, you can apply numbers to each word as a token or also ID. Let's say we have the sentence "subscribe to this channel because I need money." We split the sentence up into a list filled with the words. Now we can give each word a unique ID. Subscribe gets the ID 1, 2 gets the ID 2, this gets 3, channel 4 and so on. And boom, you got numbers, simple as that. Now, you would also need to lemmatize everything in order to get a sentence that's always the same length, because that's how the neural network runs. But if you care about the details, feel free to read this. When all of that is done, you have a text dataset turned into numbers and the same length, easily usable by the neural network. You actually can use the exact same code used to classify the handwritten digits. You just need to tell the neural network that the input is not 784 pixels anymore, but the lemmatized array. And then you just retrain it, wait a bit until it's done, and boom, you have a network that can easily say if the new sentence that you give it is positive or negative. I think I forgot to tell what the neural network was supposed to do. It basically classifies if a text is positive or negative about something. That's basically all I did with neural networks recently. A Discord chatbot that doesn't even work anymore, a handwritten image classification network, and a text classifier. At the same time, I also did some new stuff in Unity, but that's for another video. Putting that project in here would make the video way too long. I don't have anything for my outro, so bye.